magic in the air. Oh, yes, July 2024, we are officially half the way this year. And I want to ask you how many of you have actually achieved your goals you have written on your vision board or the list you have created in the beginning of this year. And the reason you have clicked here on this video, that means either you have not started or you are stuck in some way. How to achieve that, how to make this year not again another wasted year, and achieve whatever you want to achieve and do what you want to do in this year. Still we have 6 months, and I'm gonna tell you 3 simple steps how you can start right now. You have 6 months, you can achieve your goals. Plus, at the end, I will be revealing secret of law of attraction that will help us to make this journey little more quick. So let's start. We all know our life is filled with thousands of things. We have to take care of family, friends, work, enjoy our life, party, goals, health, relationship, a number of things. But how to focus in one area, that comes first. So here is the step number 1. Step 1, be focused and crystal clear what exactly you want in your life. For example, in your vision board, you have a list of 10 things. Let's start with first thing first. Choose any one, be specific, write it down. For example, you want to work in your health area. Be crystal clear. I want to reduce 10 kilograms in this next 6 months. You have written. Now be focused and prioritize it, not by just merely saying or writing it on the vision board. You are done. No, you have to prioritize. Next step is taking action. So you have chosen one thing, like regarding your reducing your weight loss. Second point is action. What action you are actually taking? Have you taken a gym membership? Have you started running? Or you are doing any yoga exercises? If not, start it from today itself. You have to take immediate action. If not very big, not for an hour, at least for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Any action, but start taking it from today itself. Remember it, small hinges can make the big doors move. So whatever small action you are taking regularly, it will give you the result for sure, 100%. Maybe in 2 months and in 6 months for sure. Many of us have this thing that I have prioritized. I was crystal clear. I want to have this in my life. I was taking action also, but still, why I was not able to achieve my goal? There is a science behind it, and that's the secret of law of attraction that I'm gonna tell you at the end after step 3. Always my favorite and close to my heart. Step 3 is follow up and be grateful. Follow up, track your activities. That this was the one thing I want to achieve daily basis. I'm taking the action. Third step, I'm tracking it after 15 days where I am, after 30 days what is the result, what is the weight, where I reached. And at last, be thankful whatever you have done, what you have. Be grateful from the core of your heart that yes, I'm able to take actions. And now it's time to reveal the secret that what is there in law of attraction that will make our journey easier and simpler and accelerated. Now the question comes, and many of us have this in our mind every time that law of attraction says, whatever I thought, whatever I think of, I'll achieve it, and I'm taking actions too. Then why it is not happening? Here comes an interesting story of thoughts, feelings, actions, and belief. I'll make it easy for you with this example. For example, you want to reduce your weight and you said, I want to have this much weight in next 6 months. But what is the feeling that you are having right now? Feeling is you are feeling like lazy. You are feeling like, oh, today I'm not in the mood to go to gym, or today I don't feeling like running, or I'm not feeling like doing any exercises. And what is your belief system? Belief system is, oh my God, my entire family is so fatty. I cannot achieve this much of weight at all, whatever I do. So your feelings, your thoughts, your belief systems are not aligned. Feeling as lazy, thought is, okay, I want to reduce the weight. Belief system is, no, my genes are like this. And then what kind of action you will take? If with all these, if you will take some action, will they gonna do anything? no, not at all. Nothing will gonna work for you unless and until your feelings, your thoughts, your belief system, they're aligned, and when whatever action you will take, that will boom you to your target immediately. Let's understand the secret with one more example. One more goal you have fixed up for yourself for the next 6 months, that I want to earn any fixed amount of money you can set, $10,000 weekly. Now, what is the feeling you have? Feeling is, no, I cannot do it. It's difficult. What is the belief system? All the people around me, nobody is making that much money. Then how can I? Then with these feelings, with these beliefs, whatever thought you will take any action, it will not work. So your prerequisite is to keep yourself in the high state of energies. When you keep yourself in the high state of energies, that will boost up your belief system, your feelings, your actions, and in that state, whatever small action you will take, that will create an explosive. Yes, so this feeling is the core secret. I will see you in my next videos how to generate more good feelings to take aligned actions. And if you are aligned with any of the thoughts, whatever I have shared in this video, then do like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Take care. See you.